Kuzuzangpo, welcome to the tutorial on Sharik Learning Management System. In this video, you will learn about resources, activities in the Sharik Learning Management System and how to add resources to our course. Activities and resources are general names for a group of features in LMS that are powerful yet simple tools for managing learning contents in a course. To add resources and activities to our course, the first step is to turn editing on. Under each topic or sections, there is a link called Add an Activity or Resource. Go to the section or topic under which you plan to add resources or activities and click the link. You will be taken to a pop-up window which helps you choose a variety of resources and activities. Resources are items that you can use to support learning that allow you to insert almost any kind of support learning materials into your course, such as book, file, folder, page, and URL. Activities differ from resources wherein it requires some kind of student input to develop active student learning content. Some common activities are assignment, H5P, interactive content, and quiz. Each item has a star icon which enables the user to mark it as favorite or frequently used items, and an information icon which gives additional information about the particular resource or the activity. Let us add a resource into our course. Let's use a resource called label. A label can be used as a spacer on a course page wherein you can add text, image, multimedia, and other resources. It helps to improve the layout and appearance of a course by segmenting subtopics and subsections. As you select the label, you'll have to put in some information. So the first information is label text. Let's name it as lesson 1 map and its properties. You can edit the label by using the various edit options here. Rest of the settings can be left as it is. Save and return to course. And you see the label in your course page. Lesson 1, map and its properties. To edit the label and any other resources or activities, go to the right, there's an edit button. As you click, you will see various edit options like edit settings, move right, hide, duplicate, assign roles, or delete the resource. Let us add another resource under lesson 1. Go to the link, add an activity or resource again. Go to resources. Let's add a file. And these are the settings you'll have to do for the file. First is give a name to a file. Give an appropriate name which is recommended to be precise and short. In this case, let's name it as elements of a map. The next is description. A description is an option where you can add more information about the file which we recommend is not necessary. If you add any description about the file and check display description on a page, whatever description and summary you've given about the file will be displayed on the course page. Now you select the file. While selecting file, you have various options to upload the file from. For this, we'll upload a file. Go to browse. In this case, we'll upload a PDF file from the desktop. After the file is selected, click upload this file. And there you go, you see the PDF file being selected and uploaded. Let's look at rest of the settings, some of which may not be necessary to be changed. You can leave it as it is. Under appearance, you see display, and right next to display and many of the settings you see a question icon, which if you click gives more information about what the setting is about. In this case, the display has 5 options: automatic, embed, force download, open, and in pop-up. We recommend most of the files to be displayed in the pop-up mode. This is for the students. When they access the file or go to the resource, they will be able to see the file in a new window. Under common module settings, you can leave as it is. Under restrict access, if you want to set any restrictions to the access of the particular resource, you can add restrictions. Under activity completion, there is a setting called completion tracking, and you have 3 options. Do not indicate activity completion. Students can manually mark the activity as completed. Show activity as completed when conditions are met. So if you set any conditions, you can choose the third option, show activity as completed when conditions are met. For this, let's keep the second option. And you can set the expected completion of the activity, or for that matter, the resource here. You can select the competencies tagged to this particular resource if it is predefined in the course. In this case, let's check the first one. And then click Save and Return to Course. Then you see the file being uploaded and appearing under Lesson 1, Map and its properties. As I demonstrated earlier, you can edit the resources by going to Edit, and the various edit options will be there. Let's try to explore what Move Right would do here. As you clicked the Move Right or Edit option, you saw that the resource moved towards the right. So that option is important and versatile to help you improve the appearance and arrangement of your course materials, and in this case, the course resources. With this, we have come to the end of the tutorial. In this video, you have learned about different resources and activities in the LMS and how to add resources such as label and file in a course. Kadinche for watching.